What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you all the ways that you can use and get Pokegold in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. First off, let's go over the ways that you can actually use Pokegold. So if you go to your packs right here, and now let's try to open a pack, but the pack timer is not yet ready. So if I click on this button right here, it says that it takes 1 Pokegold to reduce the time that you can open a pack by 2 hours. So if you're out of your pack hourglasses, you can actually use Pokegold. To reduce the stamina recovery. So 1 Pokegold for 2 hours. And now let's move over to the second way on how you can use Pokegold. So if you go to your shop, right here, and we need to go to limited time events, there is a Pokegold tab right here. So besides speeding up the pack timer, you can also use your Pokegold to purchase these bundle packs. So in these bundle packs, you can get a playing mat, a Pokemon coin, and a card sleeve. And at the moment, these are the only 2 that are available. So those are also the only 2 ways that you can use Pokegold in Pokemon TCG Pocket. And now let's move over to ways that you can actually get Pokegold. So the first way of getting Pokegold is actually just purchasing it right here for real world money. So about $1 gets you 5 Pokegold, and $5 gets you 25, etc, etc. So that's the first way of getting Pokegold. Now let's move over to the second and last way of obtaining Pokegold. So if you paid attention when you're leveling up, each time you actually level up, you get 1 Pokegold. But each 5 levels you get 2. So for level 5, level 10, level 15, level 20, and so on, you get 2 Pokegold. And in between those, you get only 1. So at the moment, those are all the uses and ways of obtaining Pokegold in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.